So Moose is with me. I'm going to show you how I got the birch water. Okay, so what I did, and again, I'm learning. I'm kind of teaching myself, I guess, along the way, but some of the stuff I've been giving some pointers and a little bit of guidance from family and some friends. So here's what I've been up to. So here's a birch tree. And I just made a cut, used a little hatchet, and did a little bit to get past the bark to this like kind of lighter color. Once you pass this like orangey bark here to the lighter layer, and then it'll start to run. Moose is ditching us. So then you cut, I used a knife. I tried to initially use a hatchet, kind of worked, and then I used a knife, and then you just create a little bit of a flap like that, and then I just use a stick. Put the stick under, like you'll see, it'll just like run from here even. And I've had some advice, and my friend Larissa, she does Northern Apothecary. Larissa Muirhead has a few videos on her page if you go check it out. Just using pop bottles, and my uncle also gave me that advice because it kind of saves the water from getting filled with bugs, which mine has been doing lately. I think we're a little getting to the end of the season. So anyways, yeah, you could use a pop bottle and tie it to the tree like this, so then it just goes directly. And then what I've done is just tied this pail to the tree. And I would recommend doing that to every pail. I've had 3 pails today that are tipped over, so I lost a lot of water. And there was a storm 2 days ago, so that day also lost a lot of water because the bucket spilled over. So, oh, I got that little spider. So this you place underneath this flap, and then it just acts like a little pathway for this droplet to drop down onto the stick and into your bucket. So there's that. I guess next part of the process, I'm just collecting all the water, and I don't know if you could see. I'll just set you up right here. Yeah, I don't know if you can, well, you can't really see me now, but anyways, next part of the process is to take your water that you harvest and boil it for like 10 hours, maybe longer. It's quite the process. And so just to give you an idea, so you're not alarmed when your syrup isn't turning out, it's a 5-gallon bucket. I boiled a 5-gallon bucket the other day, and I got maybe so it was here, I was like up to here, boiled down and got maybe this, like seriously, like just a sliver of syrup, which I ate on my pancakes. But people also drink it. Any other uses for birch water? My mushroom said they used to use it on fish, so that's pretty cool. I have another one here. Yeah, I think we have reached our end, guys. I don't know, it's not working, but it just hasn't been doing its thing lately. So again, you'll see, if you can see, there you go. It's a little gash in the tree. And like, for people that are watching, please let me know if this is like, I'm doing it totally wrong and destroying the tree. I really do want to know that. I'm not sure if this is exactly what I should be doing, but I've also heard that chaga could potentially grow from these wounds. The other way is if you have spouts, you just drill you don't even make these. So you just drill, and you're supposed to do it on the south side of the tree. Thank you, Uncle Frank, for the advice. And then you just drill the spout into the tree, and then there's a hook on the spout, and then you can just hang your little bucket from the hook, and the spout just drips directly into it. So that's all I got from this one today. It's pretty sad. But it's something that's gonna be evaporated. But anyways, people were asking, so I thought I'd make a really quick video. If you have questions, I may or may not be able to answer them, but maybe we can find the answer together.